Adding an announcement bar on Squarespace is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once that's done, you're going to enter into the website that you want to add the announcement bar for. And I want you to understand that to add an announcement bar on Squarespace, you need to enable the feature within the marketing panel and then customize its content and appearance. And this feature also doesn't come with the free package. You need to upgrade to have this feature enabled. But to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the home menu and you're going to click on the website. Now once you click on the website, you're going to click on pages. Now on the pages, at the far bottom of the left sidebar, you see marketing tools. You click on marketing tools and then you click on announcement bar. Now here on the announcement bar, you're going to toggle this on. It says enable announcement bar. You toggle it on and you're going to add the message that you want to appear on the announcement bar. As you can see, the announcement bar is here. It's usually on the home page and it's here. And what you can do is you write whatever message you want the viewers to see here, and once you write it here, it's going to show here. And you can also choose to attach a link, so when they click on it, it's going to lead them somewhere else. You can choose to do that, and that's how you add an announcement bar on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.